Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now today's recipe is one of my personal favorites. We used to make this a lot way back when I was in school. This is a vegetable au gratin. Now this is loaded with vegetables and this gooey cheese. Many of you requested cheesy recipes, so this is for you guys. For the vegetable au gratin, first I'm going to cook all the vegetables. For this, you can take a nice saucepan, pour enough water to boil the vegetables. Once the water comes to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add all the vegetables one by one. First I'm going to add the potatoes, 1 cup of potatoes. You can see I've cut it quite small. So make sure they're all of equal size, so that way it will be nice. So 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of chopped beans, 1 cup of fresh green peas. So this is about 2 cups of cauliflowers. You can see I've cut them really small. Boil the vegetables till they are completely cooked. It's about 10 minutes. The vegetables are perfectly cooked. Turn off the stove, strain it and keep it aside. The vegetable stock can be used for making soups. You can also use it for gravies or curries. To make the cream sauce, that is the white sauce, take a pan, add 100 grams of butter. This is unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter if you please. So I'm going to make this white sauce just a little different to maximize on the flavors. To season the butter, I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. So these are mixed herbs, some freshly crushed pepper. Now you can find this Italian seasoning in any of these grocery stores. A teaspoon of chili flakes. I'm going to use a whisk instead of a spatula. So now you have the butter all flavored. Next I'm going to add the flour. It is maida, 2 tablespoons. Keep the flame on low. We're going to cook the flour. After 1 minute, add 2 cups of milk. That's 500 ml of full cream or full fat milk. Using the full cream milk will make the sauce very rich and creamy. Keep whisking it like this. You can see it's thickening. At this point, I'm going to add a few cheese slices. I've added about 3 cheese slices. Now you can add more according to your taste if you like it more cheesy and creamy. Just mix it in. So you can see the sauce has become very nice and thick and creamy. There are no lumps. So the key is to make sure that there are no lumps formed while making the sauce. You have to be very careful, maintaining the flame on a low throughout. So this way you'll get a lovely silky smooth creamy sauce. Turn off the stove. Transfer the cooked vegetables to a bowl. Make sure you cool the vegetables completely before mixing the sauce. So I also have a cup of sweet corn which I've cooked separately. These are cooked corn kernels. Now pour the prepared sauce into the vegetables. So mix it all in. Make sure all the vegetables are nicely coated with the sauce. It's nice creamy cheese sauce. Now I'm going to grate some mozzarella cheese. This is a 200 gram block of mozzarella cheese. So you can grate as much as you want depending on the quantity of vegetables you're using. To the grated mozzarella cheese, I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. It adds a lot of flavor. Also a little chili flakes. So instead of adding the plain mozzarella cheese, if you season it a bit, it definitely tastes much better. Next we are going to bake the au gratin. For this I have individual serving ramekins. If you want, you can also bake it all together in a big casserole. So fill the ramekins with the vegetable mix. Top it with some grated mozzarella. So I'm going to bake the au gratin. Preheat the oven to about 200 degrees for about 10 minutes. Bake the au gratin at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes. So it's got this lovely golden brown crust on top. The cheese is melted beautifully. You can serve this immediately, nice and hot. So there you go, you can see how beautiful this recipe is. This is loaded with so many vegetables. So if kids are fussing to eat vegetables, this is a nice way to give them with a lot of cheese in between. Now this white sauce, that is a cream sauce that I've made it my way, and it has a lot of flavor. So do try this recipe and enjoy it nice and warm right out of the oven.